In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent images with free AI tools using Microsoft Copilot Desktop. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple way to create AI-generated images that stay visually consistent, which is especially useful if you want multiple images of the same space, scene, or design. We'll be using Microsoft Copilot Desktop to do it. To begin, open Microsoft Copilot on your computer and start a new conversation. This gives you a clean workspace so you can describe exactly what you want the image to look like. Next, enter a detailed image prompt. The more specific your description is, the better Copilot can understand the style and environment you're aiming for. For example, you could type, create a photorealistic modern coffee shop interior with wooden tables, dark green chairs, large windows, warm pendant lighting, indoor plants, and a coffee counter at the back. Use warm natural colors and soft morning sunlight. No people. After that, wait for Copilot to generate the image. This first image is important because it will act as the foundation for the rest of your consistent visuals. If the result looks close to what you want, that's great. If needed, you can refine your wording before moving on. Once you have an image you like, save it and use it as a reference for your next image. This is the key part of maintaining consistency. Instead of starting from scratch each time, you'll guide Copilot with an actual visual example. Now click the plus icon, choose the option to add an image or file, and upload the image you just created. This tells Copilot to use that image as a visual reference for the next generation. Then enter a second prompt, such as, use this image as the visual reference. Create another view of the same coffee shop from a different camera angle. Keep the same furniture, colors, lighting, plants, windows, coffee counter, and overall interior design. Copilot will combine your uploaded reference image with your written instructions to create another image that follows the same visual direction. This is what helps preserve the look and feel across different outputs. For better consistency, continue using the same reference image and keep important details unchanged in your prompts, especially the style, color palette, environment, and key objects. Small wording changes can affect the result, so try to stay clear and specific. You can repeat this process to create multiple images of the same location from different angles, and that's how you can create consistent AI images using Microsoft Copilot Desktop.